Today is Grandparents' Day, and it's no secret that grandchildren can easily bring a grin to any grandma or grandpa. But sometimes that smile is suffering from issues or ailments. Today, dentist Steve Marsh is here with a stories of smiles restored for a group of grandparents.
Right. Well, I guess we're going from canines to canines.
That's true.
It's a joke I couldn't resist, but it's a pleasure to be here to talk as grandparents.
Okay, yes, I'm a grandparent, and that's my granddaughter, Anna. And you're a grandparent.
Yeah, I am, and that's our daughter Stephanie and our grandson Owen, who's 3.5, and you can see those beautiful smiles. Today we
raised them right, huh?
We raised them right, and today we all want our smiles to look good. You know, more than ever, Lori, people have found out that, you know, the mouth is the only way we get nutrition. We sort of take it for granted. So if our teeth aren't functioning well, if you have pain, that sort of thing, you're not going to chew your food as well. If you're missing teeth, you really don't get the nutrition. And we have patients as they get older who have to limit what they're eating because of digestive problems. So it's important for function, and it's also important for cosmetics as well. But remember that nutrition is all entering through our mouth.
Right, and we want, the health of our smiles is so important a lot because of that nutrition. But grandparents want their smiles to really look good too. So, and that can be really hard with, as you've identified, there could be fractures or breaks or all kinds of decay.
And you know, today we always, they say 70's the new 50 or 60's the 40, whatever. And we all want to look better, whether it's the clothes we wear, the hair we have. And so teeth are important from how we look. We may be dating, there may be a divorce, there may be death in the family, you want to go out, you want to work longer, and your smile and your teeth are how you present. So we thought we would look at some grandparents who came to us for different needs. It's very interesting, a wonderful woman, and she actually ended up referring her grandkids to us. She said over the years her teeth started to break down a lot, they cracked. She was actually a Golden Opportunities viewer, so you do a nice service for the community. And she was unhappy with her smile. She also started to break teeth. You can even see her left front tooth. After 60, 70 years in the mouth, teeth start to break apart, especially ones. So she said, I want a big white smile. This is what we call a retracted view in dentistry. We use porcelain veneers in the front. In the back where she had some broken teeth, we use some crowns and bridges. Today, all porcelain, no metal, to give her that smile. And she said she was so proud of it. Now she wanted her grandkids to take care of their teeth. So people do it for different reasons. This woman has always been bothered by her smile, and her daughter's a professor, and said, my mom has always taken care of all of us. And we have a family reunion, and there was about 100 people coming, and she said, I'd like to do my teeth. So that's actually porcelain bridge work in the front, Lori. Again, all porcelain. She didn't want anything removable, and she was in her 80s. She said, I want to enjoy my food. I want to have a beautiful smile. She subsequently came back from that family reunion and said, I was the star of the reunion. People said, first, I look different. I love your smile. And it was a wonderful feeling for us as well. This woman came to me because her grandchild said to her, Grandma, your teeth look dirty and old. Why do they look so dark?
Oh, dear.
So that's what brought her in. It wasn't her husband. It wasn't her kids. It was her grandchild. And she came in and we did porcelain veneers. The teeth had twisted a lot. We reshaped them. We did the lowers, and again, we did this in stages. We wanted to give her that upper big, beautiful, bright smile. And lastly, a woman whose daughter was getting married. She had old work years ago. She ended up losing a tooth. Those are old crowns that she had had. She wanted permanent teeth, and she wanted to go to her daughter's wedding with a big, beautiful white smile. So she came to us, and we used some bridge work and some porcelain work and gave her this really fun smile. And she said she loved the wedding, and for the first time in her life, she wasn't afraid to smile. And how important is that for a wonderful occasion as a wedding?
Right. Grandparents need to look their best. When you have a grand old time with your grandchildren, you don't want to have to hide your smile. Follow Steve's advice for caring for your teeth. Need more help? Give Steve a call. The number's next.
See what Dr. Stephen Marsh can do for your smile by calling 440-461-1003 or visit www.clevelandsmiles.com. Next,